Exploring the elegance of Japanese home design. Japanese homes are a perfect example of how simplicity meets sophistication. Their designs are deeply rooted in harmony, nature, and tradition, creating spaces that feel timeless and serene. Take a look at the exterior. With natural materials like wood and stone, sliding shoji doors, and iconic tiled roofs, these homes blend beautifully with their surroundings. And let's not forget the Zen gardens, complete with raked gravel, bonsai, and stone lanterns. Inside, the charm continues. Japanese interiors are all about minimalism and functionality. Tatami mats, low furniture, and sliding doors create an open and airy feel. Everything has a place, and nothing feels excessive. The tea room is a standout feature in many homes, embodying the spirit of mindfulness and tradition. It's not just a space, it's an experience of calm and reflection. Whether it's traditional or infused with modern aesthetics, Japanese home design is all about balance, comfort, and a deep connection to nature. What do you think of this timeless style? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.